Okay, so to give the bait a little bit of added attraction, I'm going to add some liquids to the boilies. So I've got these are called fruit spice. So I've got some pineapple and banana there as well. So a sweet kind of boilie. I'm going to use. I'm going to match it with like a sweet. This is tutti frutti. So kind of sweet flavours with sweet boilies. And then over there, I've got these squid and octopus boilies. And to that, I'm going to add some liquid betaine. So I wouldn't want to mix these up. So I'd want to kind of keep sweet with sweet and then like savoury or fishy or pellety kind of taste together. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take a few. So when I'm on the bank, what I'll do is, I'll fire out these standard without any additive. But then the one on the hook will have the additive so that it will stand out from the rest. That's the idea. So I'll just put a few of them in a bait container. That'll do. And I'm just going to add. So you can get these liquid additives all over the place from all good tackle shops and online as well. I'm just going to add some of that. That'll do. I'll just roll these around. So they pick up all that smell. I can smell it already. It smells really fruity. So that will soak in. So you can do this a night before or a week before. Let it soak in. So then all your standard baits are on the bottom like this. But then this one's got that added smell to it. So the plan is that you will draw them to that one. So that's the nice smelling one. Now as for the less so pleasant smelling one. So the reason I'm doing both is that sometimes when you fish for carp, especially in my experience, sometimes they only want to eat a kind of sweet bait, and the pellets and the squid and that sort of kind of bait, the fishy kind of bait, they're not on them, or the other way around. So it's good to have a choice. So I'll do the same again with these. Just take a few of them. Do a couple more. And I'm going to add this liquid betaine. I think that's got betaine. I think that like stimulates feeding as well. So I'm just going to pour a bit of that on. Same again. Just roll it around. Get them all soaked up. So there you've got your hook baits ready. Just with that bit of added attraction. So that's what I'm going to be using.